Me and Dustin here. I'm the mechanic and it's my firefighting son here. He has no idea what I'm up to, but we're going to hop in that machine and we're going to see how long it really takes to mobilize and get water out of a fire suppression system with just two guys, which is capable of 22 and a dime. And we're at, let's go. And Dustin, hop in. See how fast this thing can do everything. Everything's been built for it. Go through the cycling. Most guys have like a huge call out time. Let's see what this thing will do. Alright, rock and roll. Weapons hot. Well, there's the owner. I wonder what his guys are doing. I don't. There's our stuff. We're just set up here just kind of for goofing off and testing. Let's see how long it takes, Skate. Let's just grab down. I'll put you down for that, guys. You hooked? Okay, hit your hose. Or your weapon's hot. Okay, hop up there and we're ready here in one connection. We are under 2 minutes 45 seconds from the minute we jumped on this thing to spraying and fire. We can hook up here for our remote water, detach from main systems in under a minute and a half, and then we can take both machines and go fully mobile at once. With the other guys, we can take up to 17 people in that thing, get firefighters running. Support water here is over, I think, 6,000 liters on site right now just for a quick test. And yeah, we haven't even turned on the foamer. I don't want the foamer and that stuff around here. Everything will be snow white for about another week. But yeah, that's all it took to get fully operational and we're weapons hot. Good job, Dustin.